The CPM, with the support of implicit or behind the door support of the Congress, have run Tiruvandhuram city to the ground. This corporation unfortunately has become a den of corruption. This corporation, as we've exposed during the campaign, is wasted money and not done anything for the development of Tiruvandhuram. Even basic issues like drainage, water, solid waste management has been ignored for the last 45 years. And therefore, we have said from the day people give us an opportunity to serve them, we will start working on Vikasita Tiruvandhuram. That is our vision. Develop Trivandrum, and as our Rajesh, our mayor today said, we want to make Tiruvandhuram the top 3 cities of the country. That is our goal. And for that, our work starts today. And the first big milestone will be the development of the next 5 years, year by year, milestone-based blueprint for the development of the city in the first 45 days. And once that is done, we hope to invite the Prime Minister to come and announce this blueprint and the next 5 years plan. And then the work will start with the active support of the Government of India and Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. No, the first priority, as I said, is to make sure every ward, every person of every ward has given an opportunity to say what they want, what is lacking in their ward. And for all 101 wards, we will do this blueprint very, very quickly and then combine that and make a comprehensive blueprint for the development of Tiruvandhuram. Tiruvandhuram lacks many infrastructure, public services. We want to bring in digital governance here, and soon there will be a digital government platform where people will not need to come to the corporation office for anything. All the public services will be delivered at the doorstep. These are all the clear promises that we have made. These are the commitments that BJP NDA has made, and we will deliver this starting today. No, look, there is 100 days left for the assembly election, and certainly development is going to be a very, very important issue in the assembly election. Even though the CPM and the Congress will try and change the topic and distract people by bringing in fake narratives, we will stay on topic and we will make sure that people understand that the future of Kerala is about development and opportunities for every Malayali.